Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Exodus versus Kroos, two distinct midfield approaches. We'll delve into how each style influences team dynamics, from ball distribution to offensive thrust. Understanding these differences is key to appreciating diverse footballing philosophies. Join us as we break down their unique contributions on the pitch. Toni Kroos is renowned for his unparalleled passing accuracy and vision, consistently completing over 90% of his passes. He orchestrates play from deep, delivering pinpoint long balls that unlock defenses. In contrast, the Exodus style focuses on more direct, vertical passes, aiming for rapid transitions and immediate attacking threats. Both are effective, but serve different tactical purposes. While Toni Kroos is not primarily a defensive midfielder, his intelligent positioning and timely interceptions are vital for breaking up play. He conserves energy to maintain his passing rhythm throughout 90 minutes. The Exodus style, however, demands a higher defensive work rate, often involving aggressive pressing and numerous tackles across the midfield. This requires exceptional stamina and physical presence. Toni Kroos's attacking influence comes from his powerful long-range shots and exceptional set-piece delivery, creating many chances. He often scores crucial goals from outside the 18-yard box. The Exodus midfielder, on the other hand, typically offers more direct attacking runs, frequently arriving late in the box to score. This provides a different kind of offensive threat. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.